So we are on 8th of September today, and our last week's strategy has come into profit. As you can see, uh, the call that we had bought has gone down in value by 1,000 rupees, but the call that had sold has gained us 1,700 rupees. So almost the difference of this is what we are making as a profit of 727 rupees. Okay, if we go and analyze this particular strategy, as long as today Nifty does not reach 11,500, again if Nifty goes up, we are losing some money as of today, and in a couple of days that would not be the case. However, currently based on the technical analysis, I see this doji hammer plus a green candle and a gap. Okay, so all these are indicating that there might be a gap filling and Nifty might go up towards 11,591. Now, as long as it stays below 11,700 till expiry, it's fine. So we do have 2 days, but a surprise gap filling might end up giving us losses, which we are not. This is an income based strategy. So using basic principles of trade management, I'm exiting today. Okay, currently Nifty is at, let me just update this. Let me refresh so we get the latest number of Nifty. Sorry. Yeah, here. Okay, so Nifty at 426 and we're in at profit of 735 rupees. What is the gain that we are making? I'm first going to book this profit, exit, so that we are at least making, blocking in this 742.5 rupees profit. Total capital that we had blocked put 47.86. Okay, so 47,860 is our capital, and the money that we earn is 742.5. Let's put it 742 only. What is the percentage gain? We've gained 1.5% on our, in fact it's just 4-5 days. Okay, this is just simple maths. Now 1.5 into 4, so monthly 6% multiplied by 12, analyzed it's 72%. It's actually very good on the amount of capital that we have utilized. Okay, so couple of things to keep in mind. I purposely kept 11,800 buy call because what if Nifty had exploded? So that kept our losses always limited. Okay, very important. Second, I'm exiting early so that whenever I see more than 1% profit on a weekly income based strategy, this was purely income based, not profit based. Okay, opportunity based, as I like to call it. Opportunity based would have had a different reward ratio as well. As you can see, the probability of first getting money was 93% in this, and that is what you want to be doing. Think Rahul Dravid and a test match, and not maybe Virendra Sehwag on a 2020 match. Okay, there is a difference between income based and opportunity based strategy. So the standard, and the other reason I made a call spread is because I was going to use the weekend. Okay, because this was set on Friday, so 2 days worth of time value loss at least I was going to make that. And also there was a bearish momentum in Nifty, but that proof is now diluting. That's why I'm getting out of this trade. Not to mention standard 1% has been achieved.